This is Ian. I'm going to be talking about using the inventory loader on Amazon Seller Central. 2 reasons why you really need to use this for certain SKUs in your inventory. And if this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So inventory loader is a spreadsheet, and I'll actually show you what it looks like right now. This is the inventory loader spreadsheet. It's pretty long. The columns go on and on and on and on. And basically, this is a way to tell Amazon that you want to change something about the inventory that you have in Amazon FBA or FBM. Now, a lot of companies that use the inventory spreadsheet, they're the type of company that they'll have like hundreds of SKUs, and it's just easier for them just to save a spreadsheet file and then make additions or subtractions or edits to that, and then basically upload a version of that to Amazon in order to make a change. Other people like me, I'm a small seller. I just use the Manage FBA inventory tool to manage my inventory. I did not know this, but when you delete something from your FBA inventory or your FBM inventory, it doesn't really delete it completely from Amazon's system. The SKU is still floating around somewhere in Amazon's back-end databases, and it's going to come out and it's waiting to bite you if you're not careful. And the 2 bad situations that can pop up with a SKU that's kind of a zombie SKU that's in your inventory, you're not even aware of it anymore, maybe you don't even remember it. The first thing that can happen is if it's your own SKU, somebody else can take that SKU and then use it as part of the brand hijacking scheme that you see all the time in Seller Central forums. The other thing that happens, and you see this pop up all the time in Seller Central forums, some seller kind of pops up and says they're panicking. Basically, their account has been suspended, maybe even deleted, or their account health is just gone to the dogs. Like this person says, I went from 308 to 244 overnight. What's going on? And then they'll say something like, I got a letter that some product that I'd listed before, it's part of a big brand, and now the brand is coming after me. Even if they didn't sell it. That's what they always say. I didn't actually sell it. I listed it, but I didn't sell it. Regardless, whether you sold one or not, if you listed it, Amazon sees that as intent to sell something that you're not supposed to be selling. And this could be a counterfeit item. It could be something that was not gated before, but now it is gated. It could be something that was disguised by clever tricks to basically show up in Amazon search ahead of the actual brand listing. Whatever the reason, if you've done something like this and the brand notices, you could be toast. Like this person, they tangled with some minor product from the Hershey company years ago. They claim they never even sold one, but they did list it. And now that SKU is still floating around in their inventory, even though they zeroed out the inventory a long time ago, and now they're in big trouble. And so basically what other people have said is you need to use the inventory loader. And they point to this particular page. Let me show you what it is. Let's see here. It is, delete SKUs using inventory loader. So you want to find this particular page in Amazon Seller Central. It's a help page, which will basically tell you the basics of what you need to do to delete a SKU. That's what you want to do for those 2 bad situations I just mentioned, the potential for brand hijacking, as well as a gated listing or a gated product, and you got busted for it. So you need to really not only zero out your inventory as you normally would, but also use the inventory loader, which is an Excel spreadsheet. So basically, this is how it works. You go to a page that says use the inventory loader. You download the inventory loader file template, which will come to you as an XLSX document. That's a spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel document. You'll open up your spreadsheet. If you see this page, the instructions, first of all, read them. There's a couple important things. Importantly, step number 6, save your file as a tab delimited text file. You're going to need to do that. And then you need to go to New SKU to delete this particular tab. And then what you're going to do is you're going to enter the SKU. So let's just say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's a pretend SKU, obviously. And then where it says add delete, you need to add the letter X. Okay, then you need to basically save the file as a tab delimited text file. So in Microsoft Excel, this is the Mac version, but it's the same. If it's the same in Windows or similar, look for the option that says tab delimited text. You need that one. Do not do the TSV if that's presented as an option. It needs to be a .txt file. Okay, and then you're going to save it. Once you save it, you're going to go back to Amazon. You're going to go to the use the inventory loader page here, and there's a link that says go to add products via upload in Seller Central. So you come here and it says upload your spreadsheet. You're not uploading a spreadsheet, you're uploading a text file that is tab separated values. Put it in here, and then you'll come to a page that looks like this, where basically it says, okay, we've uploaded it, now we're processing it. I don't know how long it takes to process, but whatever the case, it's actually it's a pretty important thing to do. If it's one of your own SKUs that you're not using anymore, you just want to make sure that your brand doesn't get hijacked by some jerk using the same SKU to basically take over an old listing. Or the other situation, which comes up a lot, you've been selling a gated product. You want to make sure that that listing is completely and permanently deleted from your holdings right now. You need to use the inventory loader. So read up on where's the page here? Use the inventory loader help page. That will get you started. And also in Seller Central forums, if you search for inventory loader, you'll see all of these pages which basically explain what's going on. It's a pretty important step to do. And if you're a reseller or you're a brand, you have your own brand, I would strongly suggest using this particular tool to take care of this problem, because it is a problem. Amazon's existing tech didn't take care of it. A lot of people were misled into thinking that, oh, if I delete it from my FBA inventory or manage all inventory page, I'm good to go. It's not the case. It's still living like the undead in some Amazon database netherworld, and you need to get rid of it using the inventory loader. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.